The Data Science course is a multilingual learning program designed to help learners build strong analytical and data handling skills through structured and engaging lessons. The course includes 63 lessons with a balanced mix of theoretical explanations, hands-on practical activities, and interactive quizzes. Learners explore data collection, data cleaning, data visualization, and basic statistics, while also understanding data patterns and relationships. Students are introduced to ethical data usage, data merging techniques, and applied concepts such as regression and clustering in a simple and approachable way. With progressive lessons and practical exposure, the Data Science course helps learners develop confidence and real-world data science skills